Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a test in Python using PyTest and PyCharm. Let's start by clicking on the Python Packages tab and ensure that the PyTest package is installed. Next, right-click on the root project folder and select Python package from the new dropdown. Write tests for the new Python package and then hit enter. Now say I wanted to write test for getFirstQuery method in the report class. To do that, right click on the getFirstQuery method and select test from the goto dropdown. Click on create new test and then hit OK. Now I can import the report class in my test file and then create a new report object. Next, let's print the output of the getFirstQuery method. Now we can assert whether the getFirstQuery output contains the keyword select or not. To execute this test, right-click on the name of the test and then choose Run PyTest. Looks like our test passed. Let's add one more test to test the getSecondQuery method. This time I want the test to fail, so I will assert whether the getSecondQuery output contains the keyword XYZ or not. Right-click on the name of the test file, then hit Run to execute. To export the test results, click on the Export Test Results button. I'm going to choose HTML for the format, then hit OK. Now you should be able to look at your test results in a browser. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.